ó ní Bísí Kọ́mọláfẹ́ súnmọ́ ẹ̀. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó Dayọ̀ ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, ó ní Bísí Kọ́mọláfẹ́ súnmọ́ ẹ̀. Ta lẹni náà tó wá fi òkú Bísí Kọ́mọláfẹ́ London gist lover.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi, orí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó náà la ṣì wà báyìí níbi tí Lizzy tuntun tú àwọn àṣírí rẹ̀ nípa ikú Mohbad. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ fi ara balẹ̀ kí ẹ máa bá wa lọ lórí ètò yìí torí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí ni Lizzy tuntun nínú fídíò yìí. Lizzy Anjorin sọ wípé ó ní tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá ò bá mú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, ó ní wípé òun ò ní dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn rẹ̀ o, ó ní àwọn ọlọ́pàá gbúdọ̀ mú ni, ó ní kò sí nǹkan kan tí ó fẹ́ fi yẹ̀ ẹ́, ó ní wọ́n gbúdọ̀ mú ni. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ ọ̀pọ̀rọ̀ kágbọ̀n, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́n tí Lizzy ní fún wa lénìí nípa àṣírí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó.
Tó fi ń kọ́ ọ̀tá bọ̀dá oníbọ̀dá lọ́rùn. By the way, Ìyábọ̀, if I may ask you, owó tó lọ ń gbà níbẹ̀ yẹn ìjọ ní ṣe pẹ̀lú òkú ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tẹ́ fi ń kọ́ ọ̀tá bọ̀dá oníbọ̀dá lọ́rùn, òkú tí bọ̀dá oníbọ̀dá ò mọwọ́ tí ò mẹsẹ̀, ṣòwò ransom ló ń gbà àbí owó ọ̀rẹ́ àbí owó amọ́nirí? Ìyábọ̀ mo ń bọ̀ ewu lélẹ̀ ok mo ń bọ̀ allegedly bọ̀bọ̀ kan sọ, let's listen to this guy.
Naira Marley no go laugh. So you mean at that time that's what you are just doing on this video?
Ṣẹ̀rí àwọn ilé oh God àwọn ilé.
You not be everything that they talk. See, you be my guy. This one you fuck up. Not be everything that they talk. For keep this very talk. Keep on. Let to get some secret. What do you want me that man they feel now if he's just sharing it?
Ẹ máa gbọ́ nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí sọ.
For the first time, how do you want the husband to feel?
Ẹ máa gbọ́ nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí sọ. Ẹ listen, ẹ wo bọ̀bọ̀ yìí dáadáa. Ìyábọ̀, kí ló sún ẹ dé gbogbo orí burúkú tó lè ṣe torí ọ̀pọ̀ torí àti jẹun ò lè ṣiṣẹ́. Mi mà ní wáyé tí o Bísí tó ti kú láti 2013 gist lover ó ṣe ṣégè fún bọ̀dà tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ wípé òun gba owó lọ́wọ́ yìí. Now ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí sọ.
It's not right. This is something VDM should never have said if VDM get wisdom. According to what grade?
The poster, I don't know you. What Very Dark Man did to Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Very Dark Man has not done anything to Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ṣebí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó has her own children. Why did she send the VDM to prison? Why having VDM's nudity? And your video, I have another young boy that is young enough to be your son that destroy you mentally, and I would love to play the boy's video too. Emago,
you don't be told somebody. He said Ìyábọ̀ Òjó told him that Naira Marley must go down. And this thing I'm saying now, some people in the group know about this.
That Naira Marley, another son of another wonderful mother, must go down. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, báwo ẹ ṣe máa go down here? Báwo ẹ ṣe máa go down?
Said Ìyábọ̀ Òjó told him that Naira Marley must go down because of what Naira Marley did to her. Say what? That Naira Marley drug Priscilla Ojo, can't do forceful entry on Priscilla Ojo. So for that reason, Malians will go down and Naira Marley will go down until we save them. Now when I heard this, I paused. I said, wait a minute. If truly say this thing happened, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, she did very vocal.
If you have a friend like this man, run for your dear life. run for your dear life. If you have a friend like this man, most especially our Yoruba people, if you have a friend like this man, run for your dear life. I'm not saying the man is a wicked man. I'm not saying the man is evil. But you see, people that will become successful in life, they get out them with the reason. People when will make them in life, they get out them with the reason. I want you to listen to this man, and I'll now bring another boy, and listen to the boy.
The matter for don't cast. That would be a very good reason to put Naira Marley in jail.
BDM, Priscilla Ojo just newly born. Person with
Priscilla Ojo just really born. These are the types of people IYABO Ojo posted fake pregnancy bomb and having a child, fake child, is because of this kind of people. You see this man here, I'm not saying he's a bad person, but mentally, psychologically, never make friends with this kind of man in life. IYABO Ojo Pikin just born. Does he get evidence? No. This man here has the audacity to be addressing very dark man where IYABO Ojo got locked for prison. Imagine this man defending IYABO Ojo that was collecting donation on death of another man's son. Never ever make friends with this kind of man. Forget his age. I'm not saying he's a bad man, but never ever. There are types of people that, there are kind of people that they can never help you mentally to achieve your goal. Mentally, they are down. He said, IYABO Ojo's daughter just got married. Abi? But Gistlover and IYABO Ojo can posted Naira Marley's twins. Gistlover and IYABO Ojo can post Davido twins. Gistlover and IYABO Ojo can post Lizzy Anjorin's daughter. I mean, very day they gave birth to Lizzy Anjorin's child. IYABO Ojo and Gistlover can invade families' privacy by posting their children. But nobody must do that to IYABO Ojo and Gistlover. Never make friends with this kind of people. No matter how strong or eloquent you are in life, this type of people will bring you down. I'm not saying he's a bad person, don't get it twisted. I'm not saying he's a bad person, but his age, but he cannot process. He has, because he was never a victim of Gistlover, and he never prepared. And one day, this type of people, if any little thing hits them, they go wreck, and they don't make it in life. You don't understand? Imagine, it's because of this type of people IYABO Ojo came with lies of having a baby. When IYABO Ojo told us that the daughter is a virgin, Abi, during the wedding, people said the girl is pregnant. The boy, the friend said he no get belle. The mama said he no get belle. Even the lady said she no get belle. After 8 weeks, IYABO Ojo came to lie to the world. And this kind of thing in the society are now defending IYABO Ojo. IYABO Ojo that could come to my house, serving court letter and taking picture of my daughter and posting it on Gistlover, and I'm about Gistlover. So this type of person, I'm not saying he's a bad person. No. You see, there are some people naturally, mentally, they are. So when they are talking, if you have them as a friend, run for your dear life. You don't understand? Run for them. Now, don't forget that Sam Larry had twins, and Gistlover posted it. As a matter of fact, Gistlover said they should go and buy Naira Marley's twins and Sam Larry's twins. No be so Gistlover talker. Gistlover no post my daughter. Gistlover no post my daughter. The thing wey sweet IYABO Ojo and Gistlover in posting is children. When IYABO OJO is coming for you, the first thing IYABO OJO will attack are your children, not you. But listen, yeah.
Just newly married. Vivian, if that was you, if now you be Priscilla Ojo husband, if now you be the husband, everybody nobody like me their husband or their.
If you be very dark man mother,